Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, step by step I will show you how to mine Kaspa on your laptop PC. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. Guys, through this video, step by step I will show you how to mine Kaspa on your laptop or PC. So guys, the first thing is navigate to unminable.com. Once you come here, you can see Kaspa is the new listed coin inside the unminable miner that you can mine it for free. So guys, you can download the unminable miner. The unminable miner is a small software which you can download and install it on your PC. So guys, you can mine through the unminable miner several coins and tokens that currently you can see it here. So guys, firstly you have to download the unminable miner software. So click on get started. Once you are here, you can see MA5 version and the base version. So guys, the MA5 version need the configuration of Phonex miner, NB miner, LOL miner and XMRig. There is the base version also needs all the following configuration of the miners that are in the MA5 version. So guys, as I've already downloaded the MA5 version, so simply I will navigate you to the installation. Here is the unminable miner, so simply double click to open it. Here is the unminable miner, again double click. As you can see guys, it is giving error. Go to Windows security, click on virus and threat protection. Now scroll down, click on manage settings. Now turn off the real-time protection. Now close the Windows security, again go to unminable miner, double click to open it. Here is you can see guys, anyone who use for this computer, so you can manage your users. So I will select the Intocrypto, so click on next. Specify the installation location, so I will leave it as a default and click on install. So guys, it is now installing the unminable miner. Once the unminable miner is successfully installed, click on finish to open it. Here is guys the unminable miner, the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite non-mineable and sub-mineable coins. So click on continue. Here guys, you can set the, or you can configure the unminable miner with the following miners. So simply I will click on Phonex miner. Here is update miner file location. Click on this, click on Phonex miner here. Now it will navigate you to Phonex miner. Again scroll down. Here is the Windows file. You can find out the latest version. Here is the Windows file. So click on this to start downloading. Now click on start download. Once the Phonex miner is successfully downloaded, click on open folder. Now right click on this and select extract here. The Phonex miner is now extracted. Now close this folder, click on this, go to the downloads, click on compressed Phonex miner, and here is the Phonex miner. Now guys, the Phonex miner is successfully connected with the unminable miner, so click on the next. Here you can select your coin or token. Simply click on this icon. Now select the Kaspa. The next thing is guys, you have to create a wallet of Kaspa. There is the wallet.kaspa.net.io. Once you are here, so creating a wallet is pretty much easy. You can simply, I will provide this link in the below down description. Simply click on this link and create your wallet. So guys, I will copy the wallet ID from here. Now minimize this and paste it here. Once you have pasted the Kaspa wallet address, click on start to start mining Kaspa. There is you can see guys, again here you can see allow the Phonex miner with the Windows firewall, so click on allow access. Now guys, coin Kaspa network is also Kaspa, payouts from 50 Kaspa, algorithm ETH cache device GPU, miner Phonex miner, mining at high intensity, worker name unminable miner, port this and public IP. So click on advanced setting if you want to bring any changes to the mining setting, and click on save and restart. So guys, if you want to check the mining status, so simply click on this link. It will navigate you directly to the unminable miner. You can check the status of the mining whenever you pay out once a day. Whenever balance is over 50 KS or Kaspa. There is the workers and there is the payments that you can check the status. Here you can see you have no payouts yet. There is the referrals. If you share the referral link with your friends, with other people, once they start mining, you will be able to earn 0.25% of your referrals mining reward. And there is the stats. If you click on the stats, so you will be able to see the status of your mining or status of your mining. Here is the last payment date, payment threshold, currently mining fee. So guys, this is the way to mine Kaspa on your laptop or PC. So it will take a few minutes to start mining Kaspa. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below round comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.